My name is Esperance Samuri, and today I will show you how to catch a bus or RTA bus here in downtown Dayton. So first of all, these parts have a lot of information. These you can be printed in papers if you want, and you don't know how to use your phone or the app on your phone. This shows you the hours that the bus is going to come. And you see over here what the letters means. Like if it's SB, it means southbound, and then they have eastbound, and they have westbound, northbound, where the buses goes. So on my right, all the buses that are on this, like if they stop on this side, it goes on this side of the town. Some goes all the way to the Sinclair, like bus number 8 passes by Sinclair, 7 goes all the way to Belmont. It goes a lot of places. And then on my left, you can get all the buses, and it goes on this side of the town, and some of them goes all the way to the Rice State University, and you can take that's bus number 1, and it goes all the way to the Walmart on this side, and other ways like another one goes to Myers on this side. The same way you can take the bus number 12 and go all the way to the Meyer of the women town, Lincoln part, And so over here, like you can tell where the bus is going to stop. There is A, B, C, and it goes on numbers. On this place, you can check what time the bus is going to come and how many minutes is left. And there is people here who are always here. They have like some green vests. You can know them because they have like green hoodies that's right RTA, and they have like a radio. You can talk to those ones, and they can help you to know where you are going. Like let me say you wanna go to Walmart and you don't know. If you wanna go to the Walmart in like Moraine and you don't know how to get there, those are the people that you talk to, say what buses goes this place, and they will help you to know, like to say, oh yeah, this goes here, this bus goes there, and what time is going to come. You have this physical one, or you can have the one in your phone, but this one, right now I'm just looking if there's money in my card, so you can just tap it here. And see, this is my current fund right now. I'm just going to add a little bit of money in it. $26. Oh.
No, 5.
So this is my new balance. It was $3 and I added $5, so it's $8 now. I'll go back home. Yeah. It's in. I don't even have to see what is to have the receipt or anything, but I already know I have money in my card, which is cool. So, the app on your phone, let me show you. You have an app on your phone called Transit. If you open this app, right, it will look like this, something like this. And they have a place where they say where to. You can write here where you want to go, and the app, the app will show you what bus goes there, and that will help you to know what bus to take or what time is going to come. Sometimes if you're far away from any bus stop, let's say if you live in Beaver Creek and you're far away from stop, they will tell you how to get there somehow, and you can go there. It might be 20 minutes from your place to walk, and you get there and you just take the bus from that stop to come down here. But most of the time you can just write here where you wanna go, or you can say what bus goes this place. You can even write it on Google, what bus, RTA bus, because we have bus all over the United States. So there's places, every place have their own buses. But you can just say what RTA bus goes where, and it can just show you. Like, you see the way it shows, the same thing can happen, you know, like the flyer. The flyer is the free bus here, and it goes to Brown Street and to the arcade, and that's it. And it's for the, I think mostly UD students, because it helps them. They're here, some of them they're international students, they don't have a car, and they want to come down here to the UD institute, like the university down here in the downtown. That helps them a lot. But mostly, you use this app, transit. And at the same time, you see here, they say buy ticket. You have an app, and you can buy your own. Like if you don't want to use the physical card, you can use your phone. They say tap, pay, go. That's all. You can pay with your phone, and you go anywhere you want. Just add funds. Make sure you add funds in your card physically or online. So when you think the next stop is where you want to get off, you can just pull this wire, and he will tell the bus driver that you want to get off. Even everybody can hear it, because he's going to say if somebody wants to get off, like stop request. Sometimes you might go somewhere and you don't know where to stop. So it's either you might follow them on your map, like the map on your phone might show you where you are going, because when you have a map, let me see. When you put a direction on your map, like Google Map or like the app map on iPhone, it might show you where you're going. Let me put this. Yeah, that's pretty much it.